Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Skate unable to connect to EA servers. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different ways how we can fix this. So the fix number one is to open up your EA app on your PC or laptop and then sign into your account. Now once we're inside of the EA app, we need to go ahead and pay our attention to the top left hand corner of the page and click on the three horizontal bars. Then from here, go ahead and hover your mouse over help and then click onto app recovery. And now we want to go ahead and restart to run the app recovery and click on, from here, click on clear cache like so. Now that's going to restart the app. Another next fix is on your window, on your keyboard, hit your Windows key and run and R. This is going to open up run. And now we want to go ahead and put in this code here. So program data EA desktop and then hit OK. And then find your skate folder and go ahead and click on skate and delete. So now this is going to delete the cache folder. Now fix number three is to actually go over to help.ea.com where it says search EA help, type in skate, then hit enter. Then we can go ahead and check the EA servers. Then from there, type in server status and click on the first result here, EA server status. Now from here, just scroll down and look for skate. So as you can see, there's no issues with skate here. It is online, but if it says offline, that's going to be why you're not going to be able to enter or join skate. Now talking about internet connections, go ahead and test your own internet connection. So if you've got a router or modem, go ahead and restart it. If you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch over to mobile data or vice versa. And you can always run an internet speed test to ensure stability because you might have issues with your internet connection. Now the next one seems pretty obvious, but go ahead and log out and back in of your EA app, or if you're using Origin or console account settings, so sign out and back in to refresh your EA session.